Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set quick actions in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. There are several quick actions in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. You can make use of them. First, learn how you can do it. First, go to the settings of your phone. Go to the settings. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. And here select quick action and turn on this button quick action. Okay, by default it is set to turn on off flashlight. Okay, quick action means when the screen is off, press and hold volume down button to enable specified features. Okay, for example, first specified feature is turn on off flashlight. Okay, if you would like to turn on or off flashlight, you can use volume down button, that is press and hold volume down button when your phone screen is off. Okay, so first off your phone screen, just lock your screen. Okay, just press this side button and phone screen is now off. Now press and hold volume down button to activate a specified function. First function is turn on or flashlight. Okay, just press and hold this volume down button. This is volume down button. Press and hold. Flashlight is turned on. Okay, if you again press and hold this volume down button, flashlight will be turned off. Okay, see here. Okay, again I am doing it. Okay, if you again press and hold volume down button, you can able to turn off. Okay, so first function is to turn off or on flashlight. Okay, then next one is record audio. Okay, if you would like to record audio when your phone screen is off, you can use this option. Second option, you should have first set record audio for the quick action and then lock your screen or off your screen. Now just press volume down button and hold volume down button. Okay, press and hold volume down button and it will start to record audio. Okay, see here, audio recording is going. Okay, yes, I just stop audio recording and this is audio recording. Okay, listen here. Okay, then next third quick action, you will see now third quick action. Again go to the same settings, then go to shortcuts and accessibility and click on quick actions, and next one is open camera. If you select third one, you can set to open camera by pressing volume down button on locked screen or screen off screen. Screen is off now or locked. Now press and hold volume down button, it will open camera because I have set it to open camera and you can take a picture. Okay, and you will see fourth one, open Facebook. If you pick up fourth one, open Facebook, then if you press volume down button and hold volume down button on locked screen, then it will open up Facebook. See here, but it will ask your pattern. Yes, Facebook app is now opened. Okay, then fifth quick action, open app. Any app you can set. Okay, not only Facebook. If you select fourth one, only Facebook will open, but if you would like to open desired app instead of Facebook, yes, you can set. Here I select Google Chrome. Okay, now I screen off and I press volume down button and hold volume down button and it will ask you to enter your pattern for unlocking and it will directly open Google Chrome. Okay, so in this way you can easily quick actions. There are 5 quick actions. First one is to turn off, turn on or turn off flashlight, then second one is recording audio, then third one is open camera, then fourth one is open Facebook or finally fifth one, open any app. So in this way you can set it to anyone, and you can use that specified feature using volume down button, just pressing it and holding it for few seconds. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.